Rajmisa here. Welcome to the video editing series, and congratulations on taking up this course. This is part of the video marketing, and in this course I'm going to show you how to blend the art and aesthetics of film editing, which is using your targeted technical skills in a project-based approach. And I'll begin by exploring the storytelling process. So as editor, you have very important role to play as a storyteller. So I'll show you all about the grammar of film editing as we dissect the various tools. So we can use to show emotion or meaning, or as we proceed in the story, we can play around with these tools. So after a short intro to the major non-linear editing applications, I'll take you through few projects. Through live classes also you'll learn, and I'll demonstrate the same. So there is this non-dialogue narrative film with respect to editing with the music. So be it inserting the B-roll, we'll be going through each of these projects in a broad sense, but the proper workflow, where to start and where to finish by drawing specific examples from the beginning of the course. And when you're finished with the course, you should also have gained a good understanding of the incredible world of video editing. So all I can say is that it's not just putting little pieces of videos, pictures, and putting some music in the background. You are prepared to go forth in the live trainings. You will learn this exciting craft. So if you are excited, comment below saying I'm excited, and let's get started. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next video.